English-speaking viewers USA, UK, India, Nigeria, etc. Plus non-English speakers. Lions roaring, tigers in jungles, cheetahs sprinting, leopards climbing trees, jaguars swimming. They roar, they hunt, they amaze. Let S explore the world, S, big cats, and discover what makes each of them unique. Lion pride, resting plus male lion roaring. Lions, the social big cats. Lions, the kings of Africa, are the only big cats that live in groups called tribes. They're powerful, but also family. Tigers, tiger walking in forest, swimming in water. Tigers! Tigers, largest of all cats, prefer to live alone with their stripes and stripes. Their master cheetahs, slow motion cheetah, sprinting across the cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour. But unlike other big cats, they don't roar. Leopard climbing trees, dragging prey up branches. Leopards! The tree master. Leopards are strong climbers. They often pull prey into trees to keep it safe from lions and hyenas. Their beautiful rosette spots make them easy to tell apart from cheetahs. Jaguars! Jaguar, swimming, then biting. Jaguars! The power hunters. But what does it seem? Jaguars, found in the Americas, are famous for their bite. The strongest of all cats. They can crush turtle shells and often hunt in rivers. Other big cats. All big cats roaring, running, climbing, swimming. Lions, tigers, cheetahs, leopards, jaguars, more. From Africa's savannas to Asia's jungles. Big cats